Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Hey everyone on the YouTube, it's me again, Compromised. I'm bringing you another reaction video. Now, I just woke up just a little bit ago. It's Sunday, and I slept for like 12 hours, and I need something funny to wake me up, alright? And cs188 just released a video just a few days ago, and it is YTP Train Derails Deluxe Retrim Chest Edition, and I think I get the reference there from the 2010 classic Hey Soul Sister. So I'm gonna assume that that's what this is. Train, the pop band, I guess you can say, that wishes they could be Britney. But anyways, hopefully this should be quite funny. Hopefully OBS actually works this time, so I don't have to keep like screen recording it and on my iPad, because I had to do that last video and that was a nightmare. Also, that was a really serious video, so I definitely want to lighten it up. And then I think tomorrow, or probably the next reaction video, is going to be Britney, so don't worry, that is going to come. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Wait, I'm recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, it's comedic purposes. Really? It's actually really funny. Make it a second. That's pretty good so far. That's some really good sentence mixing from cs188. I mean, I should expect no less, but wow, I like that. I like how you made a joke about how YouTube took it down. I've had to do that before in some of my YTPs, if you look deep into that. Mario? Hotel Mario? Ain't that Dua Loop?
No.
It's actually pretty smart.
Where am I?
I love how they're doing the CDI cutscenes. That's a classic. I love the Zelda and Hotel Mario CDI cutscenes.
It's been one of those days.
Well, he's a plumber. Okay. And there to be it. What? Oh no. Oh no. That's pretty funny. I like how he had the from one of his other YTPs, the someone I used to know YTP. That was pretty. Oh my. Nice. Hostess. Hey, hostess. You know, I've never actually seen the Hostess original YTPs. Should I react to those? I feel like I should. There's so many references to them, but I've never actually seen the original. I think I should do that. Nice. Nice. Say what now?
No.
No. That's how I feel. Yes, yes. Yes, that's another classic YTP from cs188. Good job bringing that one up. I love that one. Oh, wait, was that before R. Kelly went to prison? Wow. Way to keep up with the times. Oh no. Can't be on the radio. This is not the best Derails song, so I'll get it. Wow, he makes a lot of references to his old YTPs. Yes! Yes, I like how he finally had the Zelda CD. He's bringing in all the spud dinner in this one. Oh. Oh, the Tuminator's on there. Nice. I don't know. I feel like if I had $5, I would definitely donate to cs188. Because these are legends. How long is this? Oh, we still have 10 seconds left. What's he gonna do now?
Oh, fuck.
I can't believe you've done this. Well, I'm giving that a solid like. Sorry if I didn't react as much, but that was really, really enjoyable. cs188 is, apart from Flying Kitty, the best YTPer out there. I mean, I don't think I've seen a cs188 YTP that I didn't like along with Flying Kitty. And I think Flying Kitty uploaded pretty soon, too. What a great way to start my morning. I needed that before I get so much homework done because it is Sunday and tomorrow I kind of have school in the morning. It's gonna go on for quite a few minutes. Yeah, if you guys like this, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. More YTPs, more music videos, more, I don't know if I should do another series video like I did that last one, but we'll see. Subscribe.